In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Subway Surf game app. So if you're finding any problem with this mobile game app, maybe it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix these errors for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now there are quite a number of steps or methods you can use to be able to fix issues related to your app. In the first method, you'll need to access the app information page to be able to troubleshoot. For this, you can just go to settings and then scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone and this is a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, look for this option called manage apps. Sometimes it might be written more apps or all apps. And then this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down and look for your app. And as you can see, our app game is here. So alternatively, you can just come here and search for your app if you have a longer list. So if I tap on it, now you can see we are on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you or it is complex, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. For this, just go back and look for your app again. And this time around, don't tap on it, just go ahead and long press on it and select app info. If you tap on app info, it will take you again to the same page. Now here we want to clear the app data and more especially cache data. So if I go to this option called storage, you can see we have here these cache files and user data, and you can see there are a lot of cache files. Now when we talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app or on your game whenever you play it. Now the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To restore it, all you need to do is to clear this cache data, and to clear them, just head down here and you'll see this option called clear data. When you tap on it, choose this clear cache option and tap on OK. And now our cache has been cleared. From here, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app, and it should now be running smoothly. However, if this will not solve your problem, then proceed and clear all the data on your app, and then this will go ahead and clear everything, and you'll have a fresh start when you open your app. Now, if these two methods didn't solve your problem, then head to the third and the last method to solve it. For this, you need to access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app. I'll open Play Store, and from here, proceed and look for your app by searching it. Now you can see mine is here and it is currently set to play, meaning I have the latest version. In case you see an option called update here, it means you have been using an outdated version and it might be containing bugs. That's why you can't access it or you can't play or the app can't open. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version of this app. Once that is done, now your app should be accessible and you should be able to play all your games without any issue. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your app and get it up and running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.